Guys, so I'm going to use this video to explain the Tradingview app, how to use it, and how to navigate it. I'm also going to explain the market structure, like support, resistance, trend lines, and moving average. So first thing I want to talk about for this app is the watch lists. This is basically where you see cryptocurrencies and forex commodity pairs that you have added to your watch list. Watch list means that the coin currencies, commodities, or stocks that you usually access. For you to add a cryptocurrency, commodity, stock, or currency to your trading, to your watch list, you have to go over to this place. That's this plus signal, addition signal icon. So for example, if I want to add let's say I want to add STZ. STZ is a cryptocurrency that you can find on Binance Exchange. If I want to add STZ USD, you can see STD USD. So for you to add it for Binance, you go over here for Binance. So but on Binance it is listed as STZ USDT. So you can see it over here. Immediately you click on it here, it will appear automatically on your watch list. So you can see it, STZ USDT. And another coin, let's add a currency pair. Let's say I want to add USD USD. Which currency pair can I add now? Let's say I want to add AUD NZD. That is a Aussie dollar against a New Zealand dollar. So you search for it, AUD NZD. So you can see it. I usually choose forex.com for my analysis. So you can use forex.com, you can use Oanda, you can use FSCM, but I use forex.com. So immediately I click on it, I mean this one. Immediately I click on it, it's going to appear on my watch list over here. So let's add a stock. Let's add a Apple share. Let's add Apple. You can see. Let's use a New York Stock Exchange over here. Okay, let's use a New York stock, or let's use Nasdaq. So immediately I click on it, you can see it appears over your match chart. So we have added there. So let's add a commodity. Let's add a crude oil. Brent crude oil is listed as a BCO, or you can just type Brent. So but let me choose a BCO. Let's add a Brent crude oil. Brent crude oil actually means wait. Brent crude oil actually means it actually just mean the UK crude oil. That's the type of crude oil that OPEC produce, and you know Nigeria is one of the OPEC countries. So I want to choose let me choose Oanda BCO USD. So let me add it. And at the same time, I also want to add a West Texas crude oil. That's a WTI. So WTI means a West Texas crude oil. It actually means the crude oil that USA produces. So let me click and add it. So you can see for TradingView, you can do cryptocurrencies analysis, you can do forex currency pairs analysis, you can do commodity pairs analysis, you can also do stock pair analysis. So you can see over here, I have added a cryptocurrency SDT that is listed on Binance. I have added a currency pair AUDNZD, that is Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. I have added Apple stock. I have added BCO, Brent crude oil, and I've commodity, and I've also added WTI. Let's say I want to add a metal now, silver. Let's add silver. So silver, I think the formula, this thing is so you have no. Okay, so let's add gold. Gold USD. SAU, I mean USD. So you have your gold. You can use forex.com to add your gold. So you can see I've actually added gold. Let's add palladium. So you can also use Rwanda to add your palladium, SPD USD. So this palladium, gold, silver, they are all metals. So you can see. So TradingView actually helps you to do technical analysis for various currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, etc. So it's not just meant for crypto or forex. You can use it for various other trading pairs as long as you add them to your watch list. So another aspect I'm going to talk about is your profile. Let's talk about your profile first. It's your profile. So your profile is where you can see my account, Motivation Pro Plus, and you can also see if you have not logged in, you click on your profile here, you will see somewhere to log in. So let's talk about ideas. So here is where you see various ideas, like people that are publishing their views about a currency pair, cryptocurrency, commodity, or stock. You can see over here, this person is talking about gold. He said, don't miss this great buy opportunity about gold. So it's just basically where people draw their analysis and share their market views. So let's talk about the main aspect, that's here, the charts. So the charts, oh, that noise. So the chart is where you do your analysis. As you can see, okay, let's say I want to do analysis on